Shavasana is typically done at the end of a yoga practice, but sometimes we need a break. We need a few moments to relax. And so rather than going through a traditional yoga asana practice, we can practice the last final resting pose anytime. So if you're not lying down on your back, go ahead and take a moment to do so. And you might want to put a small pillow under your head, or maybe a pillow underneath your calves to just support your lower back. And you'll get comfortable just for these few moments. And recognize that just for a few moments you'll have nothing to do, nowhere to go. In these next few moments, there's no have to. And as you feel your body laying on the floor, just kind of feel it melt. Just let the ground beneath you hold you. And this healing Shavasana will focus on particular areas of the body. And hopefully you find some areas that might have tension and practice dissolving them. So if you can imagine a golden light that's kind of enveloping you, holding above you. And in this light, it begins to circle. And it takes the shape of a sort of ribbon of healing light that circles above you. And this light starts down at your toes. And it circles around the bottom of your feet, around your ankle, around the other ankle, and this healing ribbon is wrapping around your feet. Encasing them with warmth and healing. And then this ribbon circles and it starts to move up towards your heels and into your calves. It's bathing into the warm healing light. And then the healing light moves through your knees, encasing them with the healing energy into your knees. And then the ribbon of healing wraps around your thighs, sending warmth to any tension into your thighs. And this light moves up through your hips, generating warmth and healing there, dissolving any trapped tension there. Wrapping you, holding you. And the healing ribbon moves up to your waist, your abdomen, healing all of those precious organs. And the light moves up to your ribs, and then you might take a deep breath into your lungs, feeling your lower lungs, your mid lungs, the top of your lungs, a deep breath. And then sighing out as the ribbon heals. And then the ribbon wraps around your arms, your shoulders, letting your shoulders truly drop into the ground beneath you. And then that healing moves from your shoulders, through your sternum, through your neck, and the back of your neck, which holds a lot of tension. Just let the light soothe the tension there. And now the healing ribbon moves up into the back of your skull, through your jaw, through your sinuses, your eyes, your forehead, winding its way around. And then the light moves to the top of your head and settles there for a moment. And then the healing ribbon of light begins to expand, and now it circles your entire body. Living, breathing light, healing. And then the light begins to gather itself and unwinds from your body and holds itself above you. And it's still there. At any moment of the day. So you can remain here for a few more moments. Or you can begin to welcome some subtle movements into your body. Sometimes it means just starting with the extremities, such as maybe touching your thumb to your forefinger, to your middle finger, your ring finger, pinky finger. And then move your toes a little bit. windshield wiping your feet back and forth. And then transitioning to a little bit of a stretch pose. Raise your arms over your head and get as long as possible. Taking a deep breath into the nose. And then exhaling. And roll to one side of your body. Whichever side is preferable to you. Maybe use your bottom hand as a pillow. And then when you reach, maybe press the top hand into the floor when you're ready and come into a comfortable seat. You can place your hands in a prayer position at the heart, or just placing one hand at the heart, maybe both hands at the heart. Just honoring yourself, for giving yourself just a few moments of rest in this day. Take a deep breath in. Sigh out gratitude. And then now you can take this peace, this healing, this light into the rest of your day or evening. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.